Hello everyone, welcome to in-depth tutorial. This tutorial is about IOC, and along with that, it will also clear what's the need of Spring Framework with technical and real-life examples. As I had told you in previous tutorial, IOC deals with three things: object creation, dependency satisfaction, and lifecycle management. The concept of IOC is just to use object, and the dependency should be delegated to a runtime environment, that is IOC container in Spring. For instance, let an application wants to use an object A which needs another object B. So the conventional approach is, here's the diagram that shows an application wants to use an object A that is dependent on another object B. In this, firstly, A object is created, then in 1.1 step a B object will be created, and in 1.2 step B reference of B object will be given to A object, and in 1.3 step application can use A object. So now look at IOC based approach. Scenario is same, an application wants to use an object A and A needs B. Here's the IOC based approach diagram. In this, firstly A object is requested from IOC container. Then IOC container will create A object, and after that IOC container will create B object, and IOC container will set the reference of B object into A object, and then IOC container will return the A object reference to the application, and at the end application can use A object. That means it can call any method on it. So there were only two steps from application end in the case of IOC based approach. And in this process, the IOC based approach is dependency injection. That simply means IOC container is injecting or satisfying the dependencies. And the main advantage of dependency injection is it solves maintenance problem. And to clear your doubts, IOC is just a concept, and that follows this concept in Spring is IOC container. Name can be different in other languages, like in Angular we call it providers, but the concept is same. In a real life, IOC is everywhere. Let's take some real life examples. When you tell your mom that you are feeling hungry and you need food, then your mom will put whatever available in the kitchen like rice and veggies in a plate and serve to you. That's what IOC does for you. You simply ask for an object and container will create and satisfy all the dependencies and give that object to you. Now let's take another example. To drive bike, you are not making roads. Roads are already made available to you. All you need is just drive your bike. That's all for this tutorial. I hope now you know need of Spring and IOC. In the next tutorial, we'll be learning about Spring Boot. And one more thing, I have written each and everything in my blog. I'll mention the link of this blog in description below. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.